confident swagger, minus the peacocking. Picture this, you're striding up to a woman, confidence oozing out like melted butter on toast. No, you don't have to channel your inner superhero. Just embody confidence in how you stand, look, and speak. Confidence says you're a high-value man who knows what he wants, and she's intrigued. Remember how Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson does it? He's all about that confident smile, unwavering eye contact, and a firm but warm handshake. Compliment her sincerely, hold that gaze a tad longer, and speak with certainty. Boom, you've got her interest. Technique 2, the active listening superpower. Let's debunk the myth that you need grand gestures. Newsflash, women want to be heard. Drop that cape and listen intently. Nod, maintain eye contact, and ask follow-up questions like, what makes you feel that way? Or, how can I support you in reaching that goal? Dale Carnegie, the author of How to Win Friends and Influence People, said it best. You can make more friends in 2 months by becoming interested in other people than you can in 2 years by trying to get other people interested in you. Stay tuned because the last technique I'll reveal will make her fall for you effortlessly. Technique 3, mastering the mystery. Every James Bond has his secrets, right? You don't need to be a total enigma, but leaving out a few details keeps her guessing. If she asks about your weekend, try something like, I've got something cool lined up, then pivot to ask about her plans. She'll be itching to know more. Plus, you'll be adding a sprinkle of excitement to her day. Technique 4, playful teasing. It's all about that light-hearted banter. Show confidence and playfulness without crossing into mean territory. Smile and tease her a bit if she says she's clumsy. So should I stand ready to catch you if you trip? It's all in good fun. Stay tuned because the next technique will make her see you as a high-value man she can't resist. Technique 5, ambition is sexy. Set goals, chase dreams, and let her see your ambition. Whether you're working on your career, starting a business, or just learning to bake the perfect croissant, share your excitement. Your enthusiasm and drive are attractive, and she'll want to join your adventure. As Sheryl Sandberg, COO of Facebook, says, if you're offered a seat on a rocket ship, don't ask what seat, just get on. Technique 6, flirting with intent. Flirting is an art, my friend. Compliment her sincerely, offer light touches, and keep the banter going. Be genuine and focus on her unique qualities. If she changes her hairstyle, say, I love your new look. It suits you perfectly. Or if she's passionate about something, hit her with, your energy is contagious. I love that vibe. She'll feel special and appreciated. Technique 7. Vulnerability is not weakness. Confidence is key, but sharing a little vulnerability makes you relatable. Admit your flaws, tell a personal story, or share a recent challenge. If you've switched careers or faced a personal obstacle, let her in on what you learned. Brené Brown, the queen of vulnerability research, said, vulnerability is not winning or losing. It's having the courage to show up and be seen when we have no control over the outcome. Fun fact, the brain's dopamine system lights up when we're curious, making us want to uncover more about what's hidden. Give this video a like if you're finding it valuable, and stay tuned because the final technique will have her head over heels for you with no effort. Technique 8, create adventure. Make every moment thrilling. It's not about luxury trips, it's about mini road trips, cooking classes, and spontaneous outings. Instead of a typical dinner and movie date, try a hike with a picnic or explore new spots in town. You'll be creating memories and showing her that life with you will never be boring. Technique 9, make her laugh. You don't need to be Jim Carrey. Lighthearted jokes, funny anecdotes, or even some playful self-deprecation can do the trick. Women are naturally attracted to men who can make them laugh. Sprinkle in humor during conversation. Why don't we order dessert now? I'm not risking you stealing the last bite of my cheesecake. Technique 10, emotional intelligence. Learn to manage your emotions and recognize hers. If she's having a rough day, listen and ask supportive questions like, what can I do to help? Or, how do you feel about that? Empathy and understanding create a safe space where she feels valued and heard. As Oscar Wilde once said, be yourself. Everyone else is already taken. Try power posing in private before heading out. It'll boost your confidence hormones. Women are like detectives. They'll pick up clues faster than Sherlock Holmes if you leave breadcrumbs. Don't overshare on social media. Let her learn about you in person. Just don't go overboard and turn into the class clown. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, leave your thoughts in the comments, and check out the video on your screen to learn how to tell if a woman is into you. Don't miss it.